Okay, I thought I'd show the interior a little bit. I added the white shift ball, kind of a la Bullet Mustang. It does have the full screen radio. You were curious about that. It's got the electronic air. It's got all the switches, toggles for the steering adjustment and the exhaust. I'm going to start it up just so you can see. It's a simple gauge cluster, but I don't mind it. Okay, we're going to start in normal mode. Not a bad sound. Now we're going into, you'll be able to see it change. I'm going into sport. And now race mode, they have, or track mode, they have you do a couple of things because it turns traction control off. And it's really only supposed to be for the track, but you know, it's still fun. Okay, here's that mode. Hopefully you can hear it a little better. The salesman who made the video, he could never get it sent to me, so I thought, well, I'll do it this way. Okay, so now we're gonna go, wait a minute. I'm still trying to remember everything. Let's go get the exhaust mode. I have it set before like 11 o'clock in the morning. It'll start up in quiet mode, and it's totally different. It is quiet. You can't even hardly hear it. But yeah, you do the quiet start and all that stuff. We got all kinds of fun here. Let me go on back to where I was. Oh yeah, gauge mode. I always like to, well, this isn't where I wanted to go, but you can see it's got all the different settings. Let me try to get back to where I was. No, that wasn't it. You can see, well, wait a minute, you've had this car how long and you still can't find your way around the menu? Well, I got all that stuff. Okay, where is my, oh, it's right there, trip fuel. That's what I like to put it on, because then I can monitor gas mileage. And it's not the worst. I mean, you know, it's got all kinds of gizmos. Let me see if I can go back to the way I wanted it. I don't want to reset it. Yeah, that was it, where I'm 18.4. So it's not the worst in the world, but it's, you know, definitely not a 4-cylinder turbo. But anyhow, it's got Performance Pack Level 2 came in. Performance Pack Level 1 took the center register out of the air conditioning and gave you 2 gauges, which is kind of nice. You can see the door panels, and it's just got the basic stereo, so the speaker there is not functional, it's just a grill, but everything is clean. I did put a carbon fiber tray down here, so I've got some carbon fiber window switches still in the box. If you're interested, you can buy those and put them in. But anyhow, yeah, it's also got the gauging where you can change the backlighting and do all kinds of fun stuff. So, oh, radio controls, not bad. It's got the adaptive cruise control and auto emergency avoidance and all that stuff. So it's got all the right stuff in it. So that's it for now. Bye-bye.